Hello, everyone. Welcome to SunnyTalk English Podcast. My name is Anna. Today, I am very happy to share a beautiful and true motivational story with you. The title is From Zero to Hero. This is the story of one woman's journey to change her life. It is a real story about hope, hard work, small steps, and never giving up. The woman's name is Maria. She is from a small town, and her life was very difficult at the beginning, but she changed everything through perseverance and courage. This podcast is made specially for beginners in English. We speak slowly. We use simple words and short sentences. I will repeat important words and phrases many times. I will explain new vocabulary clearly. You can listen comfortably. Pause the podcast whenever you want to repeat after me or think about the story. This episode is long to help you practice listening for a long time. Relax, maybe sit with a cup of tea, close your eyes a little, and just listen to my voice. If you enjoy this story, please subscribe to SunnyTalk English Podcast. Like the video if it touches your heart, and write a comment below. Tell us, what is one small change you want to make in your life? We read every comment. Your words help you practice English writing too. Okay, let's start the story now. Take a deep breath and listen carefully. Maria was born in a very small village. The village had only a few houses, one small shop, and dirt roads. Her family was poor. Her father worked as a farmer. He grew rice and vegetables in the fields every day from sunrise to sunset. Her mother took care of the house and the children. Maria had 3 younger brothers. There were 6 people living in a tiny house with 1 room for sleeping and 1 small kitchen. When Maria was a child, she loved school. She walked 2 kilometers every morning to reach the school. The school had only 2 classrooms and 1 teacher for all grades. Maria was always the best student in her class. She read every book she could find. She dreamed of becoming a teacher or a doctor. She wanted to help her family and her village. But life was hard. There was not enough money for books or new clothes. Sometimes Maria had to stay home to help her mother cook or take care of her brothers. When Maria was 15 years old, her father became very sick. He could not work in the fields anymore. The family had no money for medicine. Maria had to stop school. She started working in the fields with her mother. Every day she woke up at 5 in the morning. She carried heavy baskets of rice. Her hands became rough and painful. At night she was very tired, but she still read old books by candlelight. She whispered to herself, "One day, I will change this. One day, I will make my family proud." Years passed. Maria turned 20. She married a kind man named Luis from the same village. Luis was a carpenter. He built simple furniture for people. They had a small wedding under a big tree. Maria was happy, but she still felt something was missing. She wanted more for her life and for her future children. After 2 years, Maria gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. They named her Sophia. Sophia was healthy and smiled a lot. But when Sophia was only 6 months old, Luis had an accident at work. A heavy piece of wood fell on his leg. The doctor said he needed surgery, but the surgery was expensive. The family borrowed money from neighbors and relatives. They had to pay back slowly. Maria felt worried every day. She thought, "How can I take care of my baby and my husband? How can I make money?" Maria decided she could not wait for help. She started looking for ways to earn more. In the village, people liked her cooking. Maria cooked very delicious rice dishes, soups, and cakes. One day she made extra food and sold it at the small market. People loved it. "Maria, your food is the best," they said. She sold 10 plates the first day. The next week, 20 plates. She used the money to buy better ingredients and make more food. But Maria dreamed bigger. She heard about a big city 2 hours away by bus. In the city, there were more people and more opportunities. She talked to Luis. "I want to go to the city on weekends. I want to sell my food there." Luis was afraid. "It is dangerous for a woman alone. And who will take care of Sophia?" Maria said, "I will go only 2 days a week. My mother can watch Sophia. Please trust me." Maria started her journey. Every Saturday and Sunday, she woke up at 4 in the morning. She cooked all night. She packed the food in clean boxes. She took the early bus to the city. In the city, she found a busy street near an office building. She put a small table on the sidewalk. She sold her homemade food to office workers. At first, only a few people bought. But her food was fresh, tasty, and cheap. Word spread quickly. "Try Maria's lunch. It's homemade and delicious." After 3 months, Maria had regular customers. Some people ordered every day. She saved every coin. And she paid back the debt little by little. She bought medicine for Luis. His leg slowly got better. He could walk again. Maria felt proud. But she was still tired. Traveling every weekend was hard. Sometimes the bus was late. Sometimes it rained. But Maria never complained. She said to herself, "This is my small step. Small steps will take me far." One day, a woman in a nice suit stopped at Maria's table. The woman was a manager from a big company. She tasted Maria's chicken soup. "This is amazing," she said. "Do you cook for events? We need food for our office party next month." Maria was surprised. "I can try," she said. The manager gave her a big order, food for 100 people. Maria felt scared but excited. She borrowed a bigger pot from a neighbor. She asked her mother and sister to help. They cooked all night. The next week, Maria delivered the food to the company. Everyone loved it. The manager called again. "We want you every Friday for our team lunch." Maria now had a regular job in the city. With more money, Maria rented a small room in the city. She moved there with Sophia and Luis. Luis found work repairing furniture in the city. Sophia started kindergarten. Maria opened a tiny food stall in a market. She named it Maria's Home Kitchen. People came every day. She hired 1 helper, then 2 helpers. Maria never stopped learning. She watched free videos on her old phone. She learned how to make new dishes, pasta, salads, desserts. She learned simple English words because many tourists came to her stall. "Hello, welcome." "Thank you." "Delicious." She practiced every day. 5 years passed. Maria's stall became very popular. She saved enough money to open a small restaurant. The restaurant had 10 tables. She painted the walls bright yellow. She put flowers on every table. She called it Maria's Home. Customers came from far away. Families, office workers, tourists. Maria hired more people from her village. She gave them good salaries. She helped her parents build a new house. Maria's daughter, Sophia, grew up. Sophia was smart like her mother. She studied hard. One day, Sophia said, "Mom, I want to be a doctor to help people." Maria cried happy tears. "You can do anything, my love. Never give up." Today, Maria is 45 years old. She owns 3 restaurants. She helps many women in her village start their own businesses. She teaches cooking classes for free on weekends. She says, I started from zero. I had nothing. But I believed in small steps. I worked hard. I asked for help when I needed it. I never gave up. Maria's life is not perfect. Sometimes she feels tired. Sometimes problems come. But she remembers her difficult days. She smiles and says, I changed my life once. I can do it again. This is the end of Maria's story. From zero to hero. One woman's journey to change her life. Now, let's review some important words from the story. I will say each word slowly, explain it, give an example, and repeat it. Repeat after me if you can. Perseverance. Never stopping when things are hard. Maria showed perseverance every day. Perseverance. Perseverance. Courage. Being brave. Maria had courage to go to the city alone. Courage. Courage. Small steps. Little actions that lead to big results. Small steps changed Maria's life. Small steps. Small steps. To debt. Money you owe to someone. The family had debt for medicine. Debt. Debt. Opportunity. A chance to do something good. The city gave Maria many opportunities. Opportunity. Opportunity. Regular customer. A person who buys from you often. Maria had many regular customers. Regular customer. Dream. Something you hope to have or do in the future. Maria's dream was a better life. Dream. Dream. Now, some sentences to practice. Say them after me slowly. I never give up. I take small steps every day. Hard work brings success. I believe in myself. Change is possible. Pause now. Think about your life. What is one small step you can take today? Say it out loud. For example, today I will learn 5 new English words. In the comments, write your small step or write, my hero is. We will read it. Thank you for listening to this motivational story on SunnyTalk English Podcast. You are strong. You can change your life too. Keep listening. Keep practicing. See you next time. Bye for now.